In this video, we will discuss about sublanguages. What is meant by sublanguage? Each sublanguages contains some keywords. Each and every sublanguages contains some keywords. With the help of those keywords, we can do any work on database. Okay, either inserting or creating tables or updating tables or deleting tables, anything based on all operations. Okay, either inserting to deleting, all either updation, all those type of things we can do by using these sublanguages only. Okay, now what are the sublanguages is available in Python in MySQL? Okay, we have 5 sublanguages to work on data. Now, what type of work we will do in database? First, we will creating tables, either inserting tables, giving permission to some other person for doing work on table. Like the different types of works we can do by using this sublanguage. Now, what are the different sublanguages in MySQL? First one is DDL. Now, what is DDL? Data Definition Language. Next one, DML. DML means Data Manipulation Language. Data Manipulation Language. Next two sublanguages, Data Query Language, or another name for this is Data Retrieval Language. Next one more is Data Control Language, DCL. And finally, TCL. TCL means Transaction Control Language. These are the 5 sublanguages. This is also one of the most important interview question. What are the sublanguages in MySQL? We have 5 sublanguages in MySQL. What are those? One is DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, and TCL. Must and should you have to know the definitions and abbreviation for this. Okay, you have to know the abbreviation part and full part. Okay, now why is this sublanguages is required? Okay, because how data is stored in database? Data is stored in database in the form of tables. Okay, first if you observe DDL, okay, what is DDL? Data definition language. In how data is stored in table in database, the form of tables. Now observe here, I need to store number, name, name and place. Number, name and place. Now first person name is Ramesh. First person name is Ramesh. Place is Hyderabad. Place is Hyderabad. Second name is Suresh. Suresh. And place is Bangalore. And place is Bangalore. Third person Veena. Kolkata. Veena. Kolkata. Now, if you observe here in this table, which part is defining the table means if you observe data 1, 2, 3, Ramesh, Suresh, Meena, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata. In this part, which what are those? 1, 2, 3, Ramesh, Suresh, Veena, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Kolkata. What is this data? Okay, if you observe here 1, 2, 3. Okay, these 3 things is related to numbers. Okay, which one is defining this? This part is defining this data. Next, Ramesh, Suresh, and Veena. What are those? This data is related to name. Okay, it is defining name. Okay, Ramesh, Suresh, and Veena are the names in this table. Next, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Kolkata. Now, what is this data? Again, these are the places. Okay, these are the particular places in this table. Now, if you observe this entire table, okay, actually any table contains rows and columns. Okay, what is a table? Combination of rows and table. Combination of rows and columns is nothing but table. Now, if you observe this part, whatever the data, okay, for this data, which part is defining columns part? Okay, all column names is related to DDL, data definition language. Now, what is the data here? This entire part is data and defining. Which part is defining? Column names is defining. Okay, this is a column names. Now, if you want to work on data definition part, either adding new column or creating entire table or dropping means deleting that particular column and giving, as of now you are giving particular column size is 30. Okay, if you want to change it to 50, okay, like that, if you want to work based on only on structure part, that is only on definition part, if you want to work means we will use DDL language. Okay, now what are the keywords available in DDL language? It contains some keywords which is defined about table structure. Okay, now the keywords, what are the keywords is available in DDL language? One is create, drop, alter, and truncate. Now what is the use of create? Okay, create is related to which sub language? Create is keyword in DDL language. Create is used to creating a table. If you want to create any table, first you have to write create keyword. Next, one more keyword is drop keyword. What is the use of drop keyword? Drop keyword is used to delete entire structure. Okay, delete entire structure in your table. Okay, means once I will use a drop command means your table is not available. Okay, next alter. Okay, alter is a keyword which is used to modify the table structure. Modify the table structure means as of now I have two columns. I have two columns, number and name. Okay. If you want to add one more extra column, if you want to add one more extra column, in that case, we will use alter, because as of now, our structure, we have one table structure. My table contains only two columns, but I need to alter, means I need to modify my table structure by adding one more column. Means I need to add one more column, place column. Okay, now my table structure is changed. Initially it is two columns. Now it is changed to three columns. Okay. Now what is the use of alter keyword? Alter keyword is used to change the table structure. Okay. Either modifying table structure, or adding one more extra column, or dropping any new column. All those things we will do by using alter keywords. Next, truncate. Truncate and drop both are looking same, but inner working is different. Okay, truncate is also same thing. If you are using truncate keyword, whatever the data, suppose as of now data is present here, one Ramesh and Bangalore, two Suresh, two Suresh and Veena, to Suresh and Veena. Now I have data. If I am using drop command, if I am using drop command, if I will drop this table, entire table, I will not get this data. I will not get this data. Okay, entire table also will be deleted. Table structure, data, entire thing it will be deleted. But if you are using truncate, if you are using truncate, same thing, entire data will be deleted. Table structure also will be deleted. Again table will be retained. Again table structure will be retained. That is number, name and place. Okay, up to removing part means table structure and data removing, up to removing part is drop also enough. Okay, but if you want to get structure one more time means we will use truncate keyword. Okay, these are the four keywords is available in DDL languages. Now what are the use of keywords? With the help of these keywords we can do work on tables. Okay, now observe here, what are the keywords? Create, drop, alter, truncate. In most of the interviews they will ask what are the keywords present in DDL language. Okay, DDL is mean by data definition language, which works on only table structure. Now what are the keywords present inside this? Create, drop, alter and truncate, but it is not very easy to remember. For that reason I had given one shortcut. Okay, just read this one. Data definition is related to Dr. Cat. Data definition is related to Dr. Cat. Now, data definition language. Okay, DDL. Data definition language is related to Dr. Cat. Here, I had written something in the same format. If you had written means you will remember. Now, DR. What is meant by DR? DR is nothing but drop. DR is nothing but drop keyword. Next, C related to create. C related to create. Okay. Next, A related to alter. A related to alter. Next, T related to truncate. T related to truncate. Now, by remembering this, by reading this shortcut, you will remember for long time. Now, read one more time. Data definition is related to Dr. Cat. Dr. for drop, C for create, A for alter, and T for truncate. Okay, these are the keywords present in DDL language. Okay, now let us see some queries on DDL language. Later we'll discuss DML language. Okay, observe here. First thing is creating table. Okay, just now we had discussed how to create table. For creating any table, what is a keyword we will use? Create keyword. Create keyword. Now observe here. What is a create? Create is a keyword for creating any table. Okay. Now, what is the query? First, you have to write create keyword. Later, you have to write table. After that, you have to write table name. Okay. For example, I will take name, number, name, and place. Okay. And place. This is my table. What is meant by table? Table is a combination of columns and rows. Okay, here we are giving, I need to give some name for this table. That is employee. That is employee. For creating any table, first we have to write create keyword. After that, I am creating, table I am creating. Find at last you have to give employee. Okay, what is employee? That is table name. Okay, whatever the name you want to give, that name you have to write here. After that, you have to give open close parenthesis. Okay, next, if you observe here, ID name. Okay, first you have to write ID. What is ID? 1 minute. I will erase this table. Okay. According to our query, I will write ID and name. These two are columns. And what is the table name? This table name is employee. Employee table. Okay. Next, ID. What type of it is a data type. Okay, IDs must be integer. For that reason, we are giving int data type. Means this particular column, it will allows only integer values. It will not allows any string related or characters or anything. It will not allow. Okay, date also it will not allow anything. It will not allow, but it will allows only integer numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to those numbers it will allow. Next is name. Name is also column names. Now observe here how many column names is available here. One is ID column and one more is name column. Okay. Now what is a which data type it will allow? Name. Name allows only characters. Okay. It will not allows integer numbers. Now I need to give one Ramesh, two Suresh. Okay. Like that you have to give data. Once you executed this query, once you executed this query, you will get table structure. You will get table structure. Now tell me what is the name of your table? Employee table. And what are the columns present in the table? One is ID and one other one is name. Okay. ID allows only integer values and name allows only characters. Okay. Observe here. Once you executed this query, you will get table structure. Okay, that table name is employee and columns is ID and name. Okay, like this you can create any table. Next one is adding new column. Adding new column. At present, how many columns is present in table? As of now, only two columns. If you observe here, what are the two column names? First one is ID column and the second one is name column. Now I need to add one more extra column. Okay, as of now I have one structure that is 2 by 2. One is how many columns? Column 1, column 2. Here how many rows? Row 1, row 2. Okay, 2 by 2. Now I need to add one more extra new column. Okay, how to add extra new column to a table? What is the keyword I need to use? Alter keyword, because I am trying to modify old structure. Okay, initially we have 2 by 2 structure, but I need to add extra column that is 3 by 2 not 3 by 2, row 1, row 1, row 2, C1, C2, C3. Okay, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 structure I want. How to add new column? For that also we have one keyword. What is that keyword? Alter keyword. Okay, how to write the query? First we have to write alter. Alter is the keyword for modifying table. Next, alter table. Which table you want to modify? Because I had given one name for that particular table. What is the name we had given? Create table employee. Now my table name is employee table. So that table only I need to add. Add table employee. After that, you have some inbuilt keywords will be available in MySQL. Okay. Now, what is the use of add keyword? It will add new column. Okay, add. Now, place. What is the place? Place is a new column. Place is a new column. And after, if you are giving any column name means must and should it will take data type. Now, what type of data type? Varchar data type. Now, varchar of 30. What is this 30? It is a size. It is a size. Okay, means it will allow 30 characters. All of you clear? Once you executed this query, you will get new table, okay, modified table with 3 columns, ID, name, and place. This is the modified table. All of you clear how to use create keyword and how to use alter keyword. Okay. Now, if you want to add any new column also you can do, you can drop that particular column. Okay, whatever the column, if you want to drop this one means we can use alter keyword. If you want to change the size, as of now what is the size? 30 size. If you want to change it to 50 also, we can use alter keyword only. Observe here one more query, changing data type size. Okay, initially we had given some data type size for name and place. What is the size? 30 we had given. Now I need to change that size to some other 50. Okay, how to change? First you have to write. If you want to modify means must and should you have to use alter keyword. Now which one you are changing? Table. What is the table of my name? Sorry, what is my table name? My employee. After that, if you want to changing size, if you want to changing size means you have to use modify. If you want to add new column means add. If you want to change size means modify. Okay, modify what you are changing column. Okay, now in which column name? Okay, in which column you are changing size? That here you have to write column name. Okay, modify column name. Later you have to change varchar of 50. Now initially we have 30 size, but we are changing to 50. After that you have to execute this part. Once you executed your data type, initially your table ID, name, and place. ID, name, and place. Now, how many characters is allowed in name? 30. How many characters is allowed in place? 30. Okay. Now, once you executed this query, this 30 will be changed to 50. 30 will be changed to 50. Means it will allow 50 characters. Like this, we can change data type column size. Sorry, table column size. Okay, these are the what is a alter? Alter is a keyword. And what is the table name here? Employee. And what is modify? Modify is a inbuilt keyword for doing work. Okay, if you want to add means add. If you want to change data type size means modify. If you want to drop that particular column means drop column name. Okay, for dropping, no need to give any data type size and all. Okay, now observe here how to remove column name. Here also we are changing the table structure. We are changing. Changing means must and should you have to use. First keyword is alter keyword. Now what is the table? Table. Table name, employee. Now which one you are dropping? Means which one you are removing. Place column I need to remove. Okay, so first you have to use drop keyword. Just now we have discussed what is a drop keyword. Drop keyword will remove entire table structure. Okay, now I don't want to remove entire structure. I need to remove only one column. Okay, drop. Which one you need to remove? Column. After that, column name. Okay, here no need to mention data type name and all. Okay, by default it will delete entire thing. Okay, if you want to add means must and should you have to mention data type name, because after adding you have to allow some numbers, values, must and should you have to allow only particular data only. For that reason must and should you have to mention data type name. But while dropping no need to mention anything, directly you can drop column and column name. Suppose if I am writing drop table employee, drop table employee. In that case, what it will happen? It will drop entire table. Means whatever the table contains, all columns, data, entire thing will be at a single shot. It will delete entire part. Okay. But if you are using alter table employee, if you want drop column place means it will remove only one particular column. Okay, one particular column it will remove. Okay, either column here, whatever the name you are mentioning, only that particular column it will remove. Observe here, deleting entire table. If you are deleting entire table, okay, they drop table employee. If you are writing this query means it will remove entire table structure. It will remove entire table structure. Now tell me what are the keywords we had discussed now? Create, alter, and drop. Okay, in place of drop, if I am writing truncate, in place of drop, if I am writing truncate keyword. Okay, now truncate table, truncate table employee, truncate table employee. Now I have one data, that is name, number name and place. 1, 2, 3, Raj, Veena, Sita, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Okay. Now this is my table. If I am on my table name is employee table. It is employee table. Now drop table employee. Drop table employee. If you are using this one means it will delete entire part. It will delete table structure as well as data. Entire thing it will be deleted. After that, if you are accessing this one means you will not get anything. You will not get anything. Now, if you are using truncate table structure, table employee means it will drop entire part. Again, table will be retained. What is the table structure? Number, name, and place. Again, table will be retained. Okay, that is only table will be retained. Data you will not get. Data you will not get. Only table structure again you will get. Okay, that is the difference between drop and truncate. Okay, this is also most important interview question. What are the DDL? What are the DDL language? Okay, what are the keywords present in DDL language? And what is the difference between drop and truncate? This is very important question. Most of the times they will ask. Okay, now all of you had seen, right? Now we will go with workbench, MySQL workbench. I will give how to download in in below description. Okay, video description link I will give how to download. You can go and download.